Imagine waking up to sales notifications, money made while you sleep. This isn't a fantasy for tech gurus. It's a real opportunity in 2025 thanks to AI and eBooks. With free AI tools, you can create, design, and publish eBooks, no writing or design experience needed. All you need is a good idea and the willingness to take action. This guide is your step-by-step roadmap. We're not talking about spammy content. AI is your creative partner helping you overcome the blank page and design hurdles. Focus on finding a niche, understanding your audience, and delivering real value. I'll show you the exact free tools to use and how to use them. No hidden costs, no secret upsells, just a clear, actionable blueprint. Let's get started on building your automated ebook business. Your journey to financial freedom begins now. Think ebooks are outdated? Think again. Ebooks offer deep, structured solutions. Far more than a quick social media tip. People crave in-depth knowledge, and ebooks deliver concentrated value. Today, anyone can publish an ebook in hours using platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Amazon KDP. AI levels the playing field, letting you focus on niche selection and marketing. Digital products mean high profit margins. No shipping, no inventory, just pure profit. Create once, sell infinitely. Publishing an ebook builds authority and trust, opening doors for your brand or business. Your ebook can be a lead magnet, a tripwire, or a standalone income stream. The trust you build with readers is an asset that keeps paying off. You don't need expensive software, just a few free, powerful tools. ChatGPT, free version, is your ghostwriter and brainstorming partner. Google Docs lets you format, organize, and export your ebook as a professional PDF. Canva makes it easy to design stunning covers with customizable templates. Choose from Gumroad, Payhip, or Amazon KDP to sell your ebook. Gumroad and Payhip are simple, creator-friendly, and take only a small cut per sale. Amazon KDP offers massive reach if you want to tap into the world's largest bookstore. Every tool is free, keeping your overhead at zero. We'll dive into how to use each one step by step. No tech skills required, just follow along. With these tools, you're ready to build your ebook empire. Let's get started. Here's where the magic happens. Let AI write your ebook. Start by picking a specific niche and problem to solve. Ask ChatGPT to generate a detailed outline for your chosen topic. Refine the outline until it fits your vision. Generate content chapter by chapter using clear prompts. For each chapter, specify tone, length, and key points. Copy the generated text into a document as you go. Review and lightly edit for consistency and your personal touch. Inject your own voice or anecdotes to make it unique. This quick editing step turns AI text into a valuable product. Repeat for each chapter until your manuscript is complete. You don't need to write a word, just direct the process. Your ebook is taking shape faster than you ever thought possible. Your cover is your first impression, make it count. Go to Canva and search for ebook cover templates. Pick a template that fits your topic and audience. Customize the title, author name, fonts, and colors. Swap in a relevant image from Canva's library or upload your own. Keep the design clean and readable, even as a thumbnail. Download your finished cover as a high-quality JPG or PNG. In minutes, you have a professional cover that grabs attention. No design skills needed, just drag, drop, and tweak. This skill will serve you for all future projects. Now you're ready to stand out in any marketplace. Time to assemble your ebook into a polished, professional document. Paste your chapters into a new Google Doc. Use heading styles for titles and chapters to create a clear structure. Google Docs can auto-generate a clickable table of contents. Choose a clean font and set comfortable spacing for readability. Add page numbers and insert your cover image on the first page. Place the table of contents on the second page. These small touches boost your ebook's perceived value. Export as a PDF, universally compatible and uneditable. You now have a finished, professional ebook ready to sell. You're officially an author and publisher. Now let's get your ebook out into the world and start earning. Create a free account on Gumroad or Payhip. Connect your payment processor, Stripe or PayPal. Upload your cover as the product image and your PDF as the deliverable. Write a benefit-driven title and a persuasive description. Highlight the transformation your ebook offers. Use bullet points for key takeaways. Set a price. $7 to $27 is a good starting range. Hit publish and get your unique sales link. The platform handles payments and delivery automatically. Share your link and start making sales. You've built an automated sales machine. Next, let's drive traffic to your ebook. Great ebooks need great promotion. Let's reach your audience for free. Use short-form video on TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube Shorts to share tips or demos from your ebook. End each video with a call to action. Get the full plan in my ebook, link in bio. Repurpose your content into multiple posts from your book's chapters. Join relevant communities on Reddit and Quora. Offer genuine advice, then mention your ebook as a resource. Don't spam. Build trust by being helpful. Post daily, whether it's a video or a thoughtful comment. Each piece of content is a breadcrumb leading to your product. Consistency compounds. One viral post can change everything. Free value attracts buyers for your premium solution. Keep showing up and your audience will grow. You now have the blueprint and the tools to build your AI ebook business. The only thing left is to take action. Start small and build momentum. Break the process into steps. Pick a niche, outline, write, design, publish, promote. Every small win moves you closer to your goal. Use AI as your assistant, but let your human insight shine. Your creativity and empathy make your ebook stand out. Review and refine the AI's output for real value. I've created a free AI ebook toolkit, checklists, niche ideas, and prompts to help you start. Download it for free and kickstart your journey. The opportunity is here, the tools are free, and the knowledge is yours. Take the first step. Go build your empire. I can't wait to see what you create. Your passive income journey starts now.